think most people are realizing now that regardless of all the science, they feel far better when they get rid of industrially processed seed oils in their diet. But if we're actually going to have a scientific debate, which I think is valuable, there are about 9 or 10 trials that have been done in the last 60 to 70 years looking at the replacement of saturated fat with polyunsaturated seed oils. And the problem with those trials is that 7 of them actually used trans fat for the saturated fat in the control group.
Wait, so when you say they used trans fat, meaning they used, let's say, margarine instead of butter?
Yes.
As
the saturated fat.
That's messed up.
Yeah. So the control group, which is the saturated fat group, is getting a poisonous fat.
What the heck?
And then it makes it look better when you give the control group a seed oil. So if you throw out the bad studies on seed oils, what you're left with are Minnesota Coronary Study, Sydney Diet Heart Study, and Rose Corn Oil Study. And all of those, I would argue the best studies show that when you replace saturated fat from animals with seed oils, you get higher rates of cardiovascular disease, higher rates of death in general.